Most gardeners have been sold the idea that fertility comes from a bag or bottle, but that's a costly mistake. Nature is complex and brilliant. Trying to outsmart it with chemicals is pointless. The real lie is that you need sterile soil and synthetic inputs for high yields, when in fact, sterilizing your soil invites disease and weak plants. They sell you the problem and the solution, keeping your garden dependent and your wallet open. Before industrial agriculture, people relied on biology, not chemicals, to grow food. Today, we'll learn how to revive those methods. No fancy equipment needed. Let's get our hands dirty and bring real life back to your soil. Calcium is essential for plants like tomatoes and peppers. Without it, you get blossom end rot. Forget expensive CalMag. The answer is eggshells from your kitchen. Don't toss them in whole. Roast them until brittle, then crush into a fine powder. Cover the powder with vinegar in a jar. It'll fizz as the acid turns the calcium into a plant-available form. Let it sit for a week or two, then pour off the cloudy liquid. Dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. Water your plants, especially when they set fruit, and say goodbye to rotten bottoms. You've made a powerful, free supplement from kitchen waste. No garden center, no blue liquid, just smart, simple chemistry. This is gardening that saves money and solves problems. Use what you have, skip the hype, your plants will thank you. That's how you win in the garden. Rooting hormone is sold in shops, but you can make your own from willow trees. Willows are packed with natural rooting hormone, indole butyric acid. Snip young willow shoots, chop them up, and soak in water for a few days. The water turns brown as the hormone leaches out. Strain the twigs and you have willow water, a free, potent rooting stimulant. Soak cuttings in it before planting or water them after planting. It even helps seeds germinate faster. No need for expensive powders. This is centuries old, effective, and costs nothing. Nature's own magic, right by the river. Aphids are a gardener's nightmare, but you don't need chemicals to fight them. Rhubarb leaves, which are poisonous to us, are lethal to soft-bodied pests. Chop up a pound of rhubarb leaves, boil in water for half an hour, then cool and strain. Add a squirt of dish soap to help the spray stick. Use this only in the evening and only on affected plants. It's powerful and non-selective. Don't spray the whole garden. Protect your pollinators. This homemade spray is effective, organic, and uses garden waste. No need for store-bought solutions. Turn a toxic leaf into your secret weapon. Simple, safe, and smart pest control. Just remember, use with care. Your plants will thrive and your wallet stays shut. That's gardening with an edge. Watering can be a chore, but there's an ancient, easy solution, the Olla. Use an unglazed terracotta pot, plug the hole, and bury it among your plants with the rim exposed. Fill it with water. The clay slowly releases moisture as the soil dries. Plants take what they need, when they need it. You'll use far less water and save time. No fancy irrigation, no daily watering. Just top up the pots every few days. Deep roots, healthy plants, and less work for you. Old technology, modern results. The simplest upgrade your garden needs. Digging destroys soil life and structure. Stop doing it. Healthy soil is alive, full of fungi and worms that help your plants thrive. Instead, cover your soil with deep mulch, wood chips, straw, leaves, compost, even cardboard. Mulch protects, feeds, and waters your soil, just like a forest floor. Worms and microbes do the work for you, improving soil without effort. Mulch works in pots and beds alike. Keep soil covered, stay lazy, and let nature do the heavy lifting. No more back-breaking digging. Protect your soil, grow better plants. The best gardeners are the laziest. Stinging nettles are packed with nutrients. Don't curse them. Use them. Harvest nettles with gloves, stuff them in a bucket, and cover with water. Let them ferment for a few weeks. The smell is awful, but the result is liquid gold. Strain and dilute 1 part nettle tea to 10 parts water. Water your leafy greens for a nitrogen boost and lush growth. Free, powerful fertilizer from a hated weed. No chemicals, no cost. Even works in hydroponics. Turn a pest into plant food. That's real garden alchemy. Most people plant tomatoes too shallow. Do it differently for stronger plants. Pinch off the lower leaves, dig a trench, and lay the plant sideways, bending the top up. Bury the stem. All those little hairs will become roots. You'll get a massive root system, drought resistance, and sturdier plants. Works for peppers too, though less dramatically. Deeper planting means more roots, more fruit, and tougher plants. Don't be afraid to bury them. It feels wrong, but it's the best way. Simple trick, huge results. Your tomatoes will never look back. Today, you've learned to make fertilizer, pest control, and rooting hormone from waste and weeds. No garden center trips, no chemicals, just clever, efficient gardening. This isn't about being a hippie, it's about being smart and self-reliant. Stop buying solutions for every problem. Start creating a resilient, self-sustaining system. Turn waste into resources, weeds into fertilizer, and soil into a living ecosystem. Problems become opportunities for natural solutions. You're not a consumer. You're a creator and manager of abundance. Nature has already figured out how to grow. Your job is to help, not hinder. Respect the soil, close the loops, and let biology do the work. That's the real secret to a thriving garden. These methods work because they respect nature's complexity, not because they're expensive. This garden was built with scraps, weeds, and a little know-how, not a credit card. If you want a garden that feeds you, not drains you, subscribe and share this video. The power to create abundance is in your hands and your kitchen bin. Let's get growing. There's more to learn, more to save, and more to harvest. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got nettles to brew.